you click, my site is called PilotSite.com. So in your browser, you click PilotBot.site. So that's it. Then you enter. Once your site is on, you open your AI workspace. So I'll take you through this platform briefly. This platform analyzes digit transitions in real time and visualizes market behavior through intelligent mesh system, and also we have bubble system as you can see on our screen. If you want to use the mesh system, you just come on your top right and click mesh. That is our mesh system. So for this video, we'll focus on mesh system. We'll start with that one, and on the next video we'll do the bubbles. Instead of staring at random numbers, for instance, you can see here at that's if you wanted to trade directly on Deriv, it's very hard to analyze your market using these graphs or maybe the number, because you cannot get the real-time probability of on how the market will behave. So that's why we came up with a simpler way of trading, and that's the PilotBot.site. So instead of staring at random numbers, traders can now see which digit movements are statistically more likely to happen next. So right here on our dashboard, each node represents a digit from 0 to 9, and the connecting paths show how digits transition from one number to another based on recent market activity. For instance, you can see our numbers there in nodes. So this line crisscrossing shows how the numbers relate and how the market behaves. That's what I'm trying to say. So the thicker or the stronger the connection, the higher the transition frequency, and I'll show you the frequency later. For example, if digit 9 frequently moves to digit 4, the system highlights that probability clearly. That's just an example. So a real example on our video, I'll show you. Let me click, for example, let me click 5, for instance. So 5, we have here the probability of how the number will move and how the market behaves. So after 5, next number is 8. And why do we say so? It has changed. It's changing really quick, and that's one thing good about our site, because it will show you the probability, the mesh frequency on how that specific number will move. So on the probability panel, let me just dive deep on it. On the right side, the platform breaks down the probability percentage. You can instantly see the most likely next digit, the least likely outcome, and the transition history. That's shown here on this right side and also on the frequency. You can see most likely next, least likely in red, marked in red, and most likely marked in green. And also we have the percentages on top. This site offers on this site you can trade both on manual and also on auto. It offers both the options. On top right side, you can see right now we are on auto. You can also change to manual, but we'll go with auto for this video. But on the subsequent videos, I'll show you and train you on how to trade either on manual and on auto, because this is just an intro of how our site is. Let me just have the cursor there at auto. We also have auto trigger features. One of the most powerful feature is the auto trigger system. Traders can define specific market conditions before a trade executes automatically. That's when you are trading on auto. So for example, the system can wait until a certain digit appears before placing a trade. That one you can see here on the nodes. It's all this helps reduce emotional trading and improve discipline. Because you see, when you are trading on Deriv directly, it's very easy to trade with emotions because you will not really predict the next movement or how the market will behave. Because as you can see on our screen, it's not easy, unlike our site here. You can literally see the differences here on Deriv. You can see how the market is behaving. It will be very hard to predict the market. But now on our site, you can see using the mesh system, it is very easy to predict the market. We also have risk management system. Risk management is also built directly in our platform. Users can set the stop loss levels. We have them here, stop loss level. We also have take profit targets and staking control. This helps traders stay consistent and protect their capital while trading. So why it's different? What makes this platform different is that it simplifies complex market behavior into visual, understandable probability data. Sorry for that. I was saying, what makes this platform different is that it simplifies complex market behavior into visual, understandable probability data. It's not about gambling or random entries. It's about using statistics, structure, and intelligence analysis to improve decision making. Lastly, if you're interested in smarter probability-based trading tools, this platform is definitely worth exploring. And if you want it, you can just go to our website, click PilotBot.site, or contact me through my Telegram channel, or you can just click the link and follow the procedure. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you would like more tutorials, live analysis, and trading breakdowns, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.